Today you're going to learn how to fix the Discord update failed loop. In 2026 if Discord keeps showing update failed, gets stuck in a loop, or never finishes updating. Don't worry, this is a common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed quickly. In this video, you'll learn two of the most effective solutions that solve this problem, and we're going to go step by step so you can follow along easily. So let's start with the first solution, which is clearing Discord's cache and local files. This is one of the main causes of the update failed loop, because over time, Discord stores temporary files that can become corrupted. And when that happens, the app may fail to update properly. So here's exactly what you need to do. First, make sure Discord is completely closed. If it's open, right-click the Discord icon in the system tray and click Quit Discord. Now press Windows. Key plus R on your keyboard. This will open the run window. Type %app data %, and press Enter. A folder will open. Now look for the folder named Discord. Right-click on it and delete it after that. Go back to the run window. Again, type %local app data % and press Enter. Now find the Discord folder. Again, right-click and delete it as well. This step removes all corrupted cache and temporary files. Now restart your computer. Once your PC is back on, open Discord again. The app will download fresh files and try to update normally in most cases. This fixes the update loop immediately. Now, if the issue is still there, don't worry. Let's move to the second solution, which is reinstalling Discord completely. This is a deeper fix that ensures you're installing a clean version of the app. So here's how to do it, step by step. First, go to your control panel or settings, then go to apps or installed programs. Find Discord in the list, click on it, and select uninstall. Follow the steps to remove the app completely. Now here's some things important. After uninstalling, you should still delete any leftover files. Repeat the previous step, press Windows key plus R, type %app data %, and delete any remaining Discord folders. Then do the same with %local app data %. Now your system is completely clean. Next, open your browser and go to the official Discord website. Download the latest version of the app once the download is complete. Install it normally. Wait for the installation to finish. Open Discord, log in with your account. App should now update and launch without getting stuck. This works because you're installing a fresh version without corrupted data or broken update files. Now here are a few extra tips to prevent this problem in the future. Make sure your internet connection is stable when updating apps. Avoid closing Discord while it's updating. Also, try running the app as administrator if you notice permission issues, and keep your system updated to avoid compatibility problems. After applying these two solutions step by step, Discord should update normally again. And that's how you can fix the Discord update failed loop in 2026 using two simple but very effective methods.